Goedemorgen, ich bin Dan von Luxembourgish with Anne. Now, in this lesson, I'm going to focus on only one single word, and this is the verb machen. Now, machen literally means to do or to make, but in combination with a noun, it sometimes loses its literal meaning. So today you will learn 10 common expressions with the verb machen. Now take my learning tip here. Learning words together rather than individual words will help you to sound more fluent and more natural in Luxembourgish. Has ever a native Luxembourgish speaker said to you, what you've just said doesn't sound right. We just wouldn't say it like that. Now, often this is simply because you use the wrong words in combination with each other. Maybe you have translated directly from your mother tongue into Luxembourgish, but that doesn't always work like that. Let me show you what I mean. Let's take the word froh. This means question, and froh is a noun. And there are a group of verbs which are frequently used with froh. For example, antwoorden or beantwoorden. So this means to answer a question. You have as well stellen. Stellen means to ask. So to ask a question, ein froh stellen. Or you have hun, to have. Ich hun ein froh, I have a question. And you have as well the verb sind, to be. For example, that is ein gut froh, that's a good question. Now compare this to the verb machen, which is usually not used with the word froh. Now you see, words often go together like this. Words frequently occur together in sentences. So start today to learn Luxembourgish expressions with the verb machen, so to sound more natural in conversation. Prêt? Dann los! Let's start with Feierabend machen. This means to finish work of the day. Feierabend machen. Now, literally, this would be to make a celebration evening, but that doesn't make much sense. So you see, you cannot translate it literally. Beispiele, examples. Ich mache heute schon 5 Uhr Feierabend. Now, I repeat the sentence and try to repeat along with me or after me. Ich mache heute schon 5 Uhr Feierabend. Ganz gut. Another sentence. Ich rufe nach einem Klient an und dann mache ich Feierabend. Ich rufe nach einem Klient an und dann mache ich Feierabend. Let's move on. Sich Sorgen machen. Sich Sorgen machen. To worry. Beispiele, examples. Ich mache mir Sorgen dich. Ich mache mir Sorgen dich. Another sentence. Du brauchst dir keine Sorgen zu machen. Du brauchst dir keine Sorgen zu machen. Okay? And here the third expression, Angst machen. To scare someone, Angst machen. Beispiele. Hier macht mir Angst. Hier macht mir Angst. Oh, Spannen machen mir keine Angst. Spannen machen mir keine Angst. That's not true. Another expression, eng Fried machen. This means to make someone happy, to please someone. eng Fried machen. Beispiele. Mit Blumen möchtest du ihm ein groß Fried. Now listen and repeat after me. Mit Blumen möchtest du ihm ein groß Fried. Another sentence. Wie kann ich dir ein Fried machen? Wie kann ich dir ein Fried machen? Let's move on with the next expression. Foto machen. Foto machen, to take pictures. So you see in Luxembourgisch we say Foto machen. Beispiele. Wir haben an der Vakanz viel Fotos gemacht. Wir haben an der Vakanz viel Fotos gemacht. Next expression. Fehler machen. To make mistakes or to make errors. Fehler machen. Ich meine, ich habe einen Fehler gemacht. Ich meine, ich habe einen Fehler gemacht. Another sentence. Ich habe am Test viel Fehler gemacht. Ich habe am Test viel Fehler gemacht. Sich Gedanken machen über. This means to think about something. Sich Gedanken machen über. And always use the preposition über. Beispiele. Hier möchte sich Gedanken über seine Zukunft. Hier möchte sich Gedanken über seine Zukunft. Über was möchtest du dir lo Gedanken? Über was möchtest du dir lo Gedanken? Next expression, Comedy machen. To make or to cause noise. Comedy machen. Tnoperen machen overs immer viel Comedy. Tnoperen machen overs immer viel Comedy. Macht Manner Comedy, wann ich gelieft. Macht Manner Comedy, wann ich gelieft. Next expression, eng Pause machen. To take a pause, eng Pause machen. Beispiele. Wie viel Uhr möchtest du den Mittagspause? Wie viel Uhr möchtest du den Mittagspause? Komm, wir machen lo ein kleine Pause. Komm, wir machen lo ein kleine Pause. A next expression, Sport machen. To do sports, Sport machen. Mein Kinder machen zweimal die Woche Sport. Mein Kinder machen zweimal die Woche Sport. Möchtest du gern Sport? Möchtest du gern Sport? Great. Now you have learned 10 common expressions with the verb machen. Now learning words together like this in chunks, in common expression, is really a smart idea. You are learning and practicing a word along with the other words that are commonly used with. Okay? Well, I really hope that this lesson helped you to see the value of learning words together in chunks, so to train your brain which words to use with other words. This type of study is crucial to training your brain to think in Luxembourgish instead of in your own language. Now, this helps words come to your mind more efficiently and more quickly without having to think about it when learning them together. And if you like this lesson, press the subscribe button so to receive every week your weekly lesson. And if you have a question, or if you want to write a sentence, or if you have another expression with machen, leave it in the comments below and I will try to help you. And don't forget to visit my website luxemburgischwithanne.lu, where you can find online courses such as Succeed at the Sprachentest, which is an online course for those who want to take in the upcoming future the Luxembourgish language test to apply for the nationality. Thank you for watching. Adi!